Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to take your gaming and productivity to the next level with the LG 34WR55QC-B 34-inch curved ultra-wide WQHD HDR10 monitor? This premium monitor is a game changer, with its stunning HD quality and top-rated features. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. For one, the 300Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time make for an incredibly smooth visual experience, with no lag or blur, just crisp and clear images. You'll feel like you're right in the action, with the curved screen enveloping your field of vision and the IPS display providing vibrant colors and deep blacks. The DCI P3 95% color gamut with HDR 400 is also a major highlight, with colors that pop and a level of detail that's hard to find on other monitors. Plus, with NVIDIA G-Sync compatible and AMD FreeSync Premium, you can say goodbye to screen tearing and hello to seamless gameplay. Whether you're a gamer, a graphic designer, or just someone who wants a great viewing experience, this monitor delivers. The USB Type-C with 15W power delivery and dual HDMI 2.1 ports make it easy to connect all your devices, and the wall mounting option gives you flexibility in how you set it up. In real-life use, this monitor is a dream to use, with its sleek design and intuitive controls making it easy to get started and stay focused. And when you're in the middle of a long gaming session or a tight deadline, the smooth performance and stunning visuals will keep you going. So if you're in the market for a new monitor, I highly recommend checking out the LG 34WR55QC-B. It's an investment that's sure to pay off in the long run, with its incredible performance, stunning visuals, and durable design. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.